Let's peel some prawns. When you're making garlic prawns, the main ingredients, of course, is garlic prawns. Nice fresh prawns, always are better. When you peel them, leave the tails on. It just makes them a little bit nicer, a bit more presentation. And don't forget that when you do cut it, take the stomach out. A little slice on the back, and there it is, right there. See that? That's what you want to take out. You don't want that in with your prawns. It's not a nice flavour, that. As you can see, I'm not an expert prawn peeler, but I do take my time, but that's okay. What's the hurry? No one's sitting at a table waiting. Little slice down there. And we should have, there it is. Just take that little bit out. And there's your prawn. Okay, we've added our rice. Next thing we're going to add is a bit of coconut milk. This is where we're going to get our coconut flavour from. Coconut milk. 1 tin seems to be big enough to level, and a little bit of saffron. Now remember, this stuff is like gold. So be very careful how you use this. It's very, very strong. Only a very tiny amount. That's it. So we'll put that on. Okay, now we're going to start cooking the prawns. First, we'll do the garlic. So we'll turn him on again. I like this stove, but eventually it starts. The first thing we're going to do is whack a bit of olive oil. Put a good layer in. Make sure you got all the bottom of the pan covered. We don't want our garlic to burn. Okay, let's put our garlic in. The pan's warmed up a fair bit now. And you're going to need lots of garlic. After all, it is garlic prawns. Put a little bit of oil. And just let that cook a bit. Now when you cook your prawns, you don't want to cook them all the way through. You just want to cook just the outside, because when it's in the sauce, the cream sauce, it will actually cook in the cream sauce. Now we're going to be using a thickened cream. Don't be scared to add a little bit of extra olive oil. We need that later on. Give that flavour into the oil. It's starting to go brown a little bit. So let's whack the prawns in. So we've got a kilo of prawns here at the moment. Try and spread that garlic over a little bit. Let's put the lid on to help cook those prawns a bit. Also, once you put the cream in, we're going to add a little bit of cheese. Just a bit extra flavouring. These won't take long at all. Give it a little bit of turn. All we want to do is just cook the outside just a little bit. And that's enough. We'll add our protein now. And we'll drop the temperature down. And we're just going to let it cook in that. Just slowly, slowly. Let that simmer for a while. Put the lid on. We'll leave that for a little bit and just let it slowly, slowly cook. It's just coming to the boil now a little bit. Just slowly, slowly. You can see that just. And that's what we want. We want to cook it just like that. And those prawns will cook in that sauce like that now. What we're going to do also, we're going to add a little bit of cheese. Just to help thicken it up. A little bit too much heat there, we'll drop that down a bit. Let that simmer a little bit more. Okay, that's it. All nice and done. All we need to do now is just plate this up on a bit of bed of rice and bon appetit. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. That was our garlic prawns on a bed of coconut and saffron rice. Now that's one of the things we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a few more cooking segments. I hope you enjoyed that. We're going to be also doing different things. We're going to be doing a bit of gaming later on and more cooking, of course. Now we've done our GPS, we've done a few things, but this is going to be a multiple channel. We're going to do all different things. We're just going to pick, doesn't matter what we do, we're just going to have fun doing it. And that's the main thing. So I hope you enjoyed all this. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like. And we'll see you around next video. Take care everybody, stay safe.